I'm a little disorganized. If you can tell by this. So I really appreciate this. They sent me this. Be unique, be me. BUBM. BUBM. I don't know. They sent me this thing, and this is going to really help because I want to put my Mavic Pro in here. And it's got all kinds of zippers and things and all that. Then I'm going to put all that in there. I can put all kinds of stuff in there. Okay, so listen, I really like the bag. I'm going to use it for a lot of stuff. Probably not that stuff. More camera related stuff, but you get the point, man. You can fit all kinds of stuff in it. And I think I can get my Mavic Pro in it. The Mavic Pro, they had this sale, $649 for refurb Mavic Pro through DJI. I bought it, and they've been paving my road, and FedEx hasn't been able to get it to me yet. But when I get it, I'm going to put it in here, and I think this is going to be my bag. Got a lot more options than the bags that usually come with the Mavic Pro. So anyway, thank you for the bag. I do like it. It's really well made. The zippers are great. And listen, if I don't like somebody's product, I just don't review it. Unless I think it's really, really terrible, then I'll review it and then just tell them I'm sorry with an email.